it's very encouraging. As I said, I'm glad that a lot of debut authors are getting a platform to talk about themselves, their books. I think, as someone pointed out, writers are actually a very lonely breed. So you come to these festivals, get to meet a lot of authors, publishers. The entire publishing industry is here. So it's great because you get heard, you meet new authors, you make new friends, and you see the kind of writing that's happening around you, and that is very inspiring. I think so, but I think I'll say that it's both good and bad. One, I think if your book is considered for a movie, I think it's a huge honor first of all, and also I think a lot of authors also then get a lot more expression because you're covering a lot more ground, a lot more people get to know about your book. So today, when there are so many books out there, and if one of you actually gets a film offer, that's great because it just creates a lot more euphoria about the book. So that's nice. I think writers work hard on their books and they deserve all that success. But yes, if you're actually writing like someone right now is doing, I won't name the author, but his books now read like screenplays. So he's deliberately doing this. So that I think is a pitfall you should avoid. If you, as someone said in the session earlier today, write a book. If it has to get if it has to be get made into a movie, it will get made. But don't write with that intention. Again, I don't know if you can really advise someone because end of the day you do what you want to do, right? If writing doesn't interest you, then you can't write. You have to be interested to really write. So if something else interests, that's perfectly fine. As long as something creative excites you, that's fine. So I'm not sure how to respond to this question. But if you love to read, maybe if someone loves to read, maybe he would be inspired. Maybe he would want to try out his handwriting as well. So maybe that person I would say, if I didn't try writing too, maybe you would be good at it. But if you're not interested, then there's nothing much one can do really. So yeah. I was writing through school and college. Writing has always been a passion. So I knew I'd write a book one day. When and where, that wasn't planned. That just happened by accident. But I always knew I would write because I love literature. I love reading books. I love to write short stories. So the novel just becomes an extension of that. So I'm glad it finally happened when it did. Yeah. Someone asked me this question right now. How do authors not let their success go to their head? I just told him the same thing I'm telling you. When I see someone like Amish Tripathi who's selling 5 million copies or a Chetan Bhagat who's selling 10 million copies, I'm not even on that level. So I think maybe at this point of time that is what's keeping me grounded because I've just started. I've had a good success. I'm happy. But there are people who are doing 10 million times more better than what I am doing. So maybe I look at that and keep myself not getting too arrogant about it. Maybe if I actually reach those figures, maybe you'll find me a lot more arrogant then. A bestseller is not always a great book, and great books always don't become bestsellers. I totally agree with that. But unfortunately today a lot of stuff is economy driven, Like if I ask you who are the good Indian authors you will tell me names like Chetan Bhagat, Amish Tripathi, Ashwin Sanghi. And why is that? Because they are the ones who are selling. I mean, you won't know other names because they might be writing great books, but we don't know them. So unfortunately, what is जो दिखता है वो बिकता है वाला जो thing है. So I think that is what it has come to that. But I'm sure a good writer, a good book will always find an audience. So that is something you should always believe. What I would like to tell them is, you should write a book only when you're excited about it. A lot of people come and ask me, I want to write a book, I have written something, but I can't proceed. The problem with writers is that they get this one-line idea which sounds amazing, then they start writing and then they feel that the idea isn't taking them anywhere. So you should write when you have a great idea and that idea excites you so much that the only thing that you can think of is sitting and writing. That is when you will enjoy the process and you'll actually come out with a great book.